Hi everyone. Today, we will review the Linksys Velop AC1200 Wi-Fi mesh or mesh system. Home Wi-Fi networks can often be a nightmare. Since we generally connect a powerful router to the provider's router, to connect more and more devices in our house, in my country the constructions are generally made of solid concrete, due to constant tremors and earthquakes, and my internet service provider places old routers. In my case a Technicolor of 2.4 GZ having to place a dual band router to connect more devices, but still certain places in my house are not covered. Basically, a mesh or mesh type Wi-Fi network is a network made up of a router, base station, and its satellites or access points that communicate with each other, to form a single Wi-Fi network for the user with the same SSID and password, and redirects the traffic through the network. Always in an optimal way to the best possible signal in our network. Calculating to which node or satellite it is best for us to connect at any time according to the status of other nodes. Each node connects at a certain distance to each one of the satellites. Signal strength and many other factors, completely transparent to the user, who does not have to worry about which node is connected. In my case where there are televisions connected to Chromecast, 2 children with tablets where they play and study. With Wi-Fi LED lights in their room and their respective gamer laptops, Minecraft and Dragon Ball players. A teenage son gamer, who likes ethical hacking, the Xbox One and its respective smart TV, a Wi-Fi washing machine, the grandmother with her smart TV connected to another router, the smart TV in my bedroom, my daughter's laptop, not so gamer but always on social networks, not counting 8 phones, Oculus Quest, the powerful dad's PC, printer and Wi-Fi scanner, and 4 wireless security cameras, which connect to the internet provider's router, and the most powerful router with cable. There were always dark areas in my house, that is, without optimal coverage. The solutions most used today to reverse this situation are with PLC systems, more powerful routers with more antennas, and I also tried repeaters or network extenders, mainly due to low cost, but the problem remains. Due to the number of connected devices, I decided to try with 2 nodes. I highly recommend that before installing them, you configure the router of the internet service provider as bridge mode, so that it does not have a Wi-Fi signal but only transfer the internet to the other most powerful routers. In unboxing, we will find the node, network cable to connect to the internet provider's router in the manual. Once the internet provider's router is configured as a bridge, you connect the first Velop node directly with its cable. It will indicate with a purple light that it is ready to start setup. You download the Linksys app on your phone, register if you are not, and start with your username and password. At the moment of logging in, the current network recognizes me, which as you can see has 12 connected devices. To add the Velop, you go to the menu and add a new product. The application automatically detects that you have a Velop available. So, you accept the clauses and conditions, and it tells you that the purple light is blinking. You tell it yes and it starts to connect to the internet. It configures itself with your account and it automatically logs in. It asks you to name your new Wi-Fi network with your username and password, and it asks you where this node is. In my house I put it in the corridor before the stands on the 2nd level. The second Velop I put about 15 linear meters in the hall, next to the Xbox, only connected with its charger without a network cable. Then it asks if you want to add another node and said yes, it looks for the next node, it is updated and the network restarts. You access your new network and then you see that only you are connected. And then, do the fire test, go to a place on the 1st level where the internet never reached, and I pay for 20 megabytes of internet, but to be in last place I got internet, and have 19 megabytes download and 4.8 megabytes upload, not bad for a place completely made of concrete, and at least 5 intermediate walls. I could have connected the nodes to the dual band router, but I decided to keep 2 networks. One, direct from the provider's router to my office connected to the EA6900 router, which is a very good device, to guarantee the connectivity of my work and give it priority in this network to my work. As you can see there are only 3 devices. And the Velop nodes in another network that cover the other devices connected at this moment between both nodes that covers the entire ground of my house, patios, etc. more or less around a radius of 100 square meters. It seems to me a very good product, to eliminate all dead zones in houses with large plots. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe, you help me motivate me to make more videos. If you have questions, do not hesitate to comment, I will answer to you, I assure you.